Welcome back to our channel. My name is Alex, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a cartoon popsicle. So, but before we get started, click the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give us a huge thumbs up. And if you aren't already, please follow us on Instagram at The Crafty Beaches. Let's get started. Here's you will need are white computer paper, a pink marker, a brown marker, a black marker, a yellow marker, and a pencil and an eraser. These colors are optional. These are just the colors that I wanted to pick. So the first step is, remember to draw a big upside down U. And then, so that's like the top of the popsicle. And for step 2, we're going to like a curve, like for the ends. We're gonna curve the ends. We don't want them pointy, we want them curved. Okay. For the third step, you're going to make a skinny right side up U, like this. And then for 4, you can give it stripes or a drizzle. For me, I'm gonna do a drizzle. For step 5, you should give it eyes and a smile. And then for step 6, you're gonna color and trace it over in black. So we're gonna draw our big upside down U. Like that. We can curve it to ends. So we have the top part of our popsicle. So we're going to need to draw our little popsicle stick. It's a little smaller U. It's a bit wonky. Okay. Then we're going to give it stripes or a drizzle. I'm going to do a drizzle. So you're just going to go like that. Your drizzle or stripes can be a bit different than mine. Here's how I do mine. So there I have that. Now I'm going to give it some eyes and a smile. We want big, wide eyes. I'm going to draw like a semicircle in that corner and a smaller semicircle right there. Don't color in yet, you're going to color in with your black marker at the end. And we're going to draw a second one. It's okay if your eyes aren't the same size. I don't know if mine are exactly equal, but now we're going to draw the smile. Good. Color it in. For me, when I color, I will always go from like top to bottom or bottom to top. And when I'm coloring each section, I will always outline before I color. And a small itty bitty tip, always outline in black last. I hope you guys enjoyed. You can pause the video right now to do the same coloring as me if you'd like. And that's what yours should look like in the end, or it could be different. This is how I just wanted mine, and I hope you like it.